guys, welcome back to my video. So today I'm going to be throwing fidgets off the loft. So let's get started. But first, happy Easter, and the Easter bunny got me this little octopus. Let's show you what it can do. So first, take these little tentacles and put them on a flat surface. Then pull it. And it's kind of like that thing where you slap on stuff and then pull it. But it's just an octopus. And you can also go like this. So now let's get to the video. So these are all the fidgets we're going to drop off the balcony. Poppet ball, this peanut poppet, popper, this poppet, and 2 pop tubes, and a monkey needle. So let's get started. Whoa. Really far down. First thing I should do is this peanut popper. It doesn't really work that well, so I don't really care if it breaks, but oh, look. So let's do it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. It worked. It just broke on camera. Okay, let's just drop this without these little pieces because my dog's down there and I'm scared she's gonna eat it. So let's drop it. 3, 2, 1. I don't know what that went, but okay. I can't believe it broke. The thing just like came apart. So broken fidget. Next, we're gonna do this mini pop tube. Okay. Oh! And after, I'm going to get all the fidgets and see what happens. Probably nothing, but next we're going to do this big pop tube. It's real long. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Oh, it bent when it went down. Next, we're gonna do this pop. I meant monkey noodle. Textured monkey noodle. 3, 2, 1. I don't know. You can't really see it. Don't know where that went. Do you think we should do a poppet ball or poppet? I'm gonna do the poppet. This little elephant poppet. And I'm gonna see when I drop it if any of the poppets, the poppers, pop. So let's drop it. I think a lot popped. Last thing is this poppet ball. It's really good. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Okay, let's go check them. Let's go. Okay, let's turn on the light. Okay, so this is the pea popper that we first dropped. Oh my gosh, the other one broke. Let's come over here so we can see it in the light. It literally just broke. Can't believe it broke on camera. So this is broken. So next, we're gonna come over here. And what was the next thing I dropped? I think I dropped this mini pop tube. So nothing really happened like I expected. So I'm just gonna put it back. Very hard. This was the first pop tube I ever had. We're just gonna set it over there. Next we did, I think. So this came in a pack, and I got a pink one and a purple one. So nothing happened again. Next thing I'm gonna do this. Texture monkey noodle. Very stretchy. And, oh, sounds like a helicopter. And very cool. I didn't mean to do that. Next, we're gonna do this. So, when you saw, I popped 4 or 3, and they all popped. So, here's the other side, and this side. So, that's my dog's bed. And last thing, I brought this, and 2 of them popped, surprisingly. But honestly, I think I'm gonna throw this one down one more time. Let's go. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. A lot more popped. Bye.